Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by Forex, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Netflix stock rose 1.1% on Monday, closing at $1,218, driven by strong analyst sentiment and favorable forecasts. The German stock market index traded at €24,273 on Monday, reversing gains from the previous session, which were sparked by optimism around the possible resumption of the Fed's rate easing cycle. U.S. gasoline futures traded at around $2.14 per gallon on Tuesday, as tightening supply met sustained demand and logistical pressures that continued to deplete inventories. The Canadian dollar strengthened past 1.39 per US dollar, rebounding from the two-month low, as broad US dollar weakness outweighed lackluster domestic data. Ether dropped over 8% on Monday, after hitting resistance near $4,800, triggering profit-taking and a sharp reversal from recent highs. As of now, Ether is trading at around $4,400 this Tuesday morning, showing an increase of 1.4%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the durable goods orders for July, following -9.3% in June. At 2 p.m., the Consumer Confidence Index in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 97.2 in July. At 9 p.m., South Korea will release figures for the Business Confidence Index of August, following 68 in July. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 6 a.m., Germany to release the Consumer Confidence Index for September, following -21.5 in August. At 10 a.m., the distributive trades in the UK are expected to increase, after reaching -34 in July. At 12 p.m., Mexico will release figures for the balance of trade of July, following over $500 million in June.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.